Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe in buying books. Very, very important. Um, a lot of people nowadays don't really read. They don't take the time to get information from some of the best minds on the planet. And, in my opinion, that can sometimes be a detriment. For example, some of my favorite books that I bought is How to Win Friends, Influence People, A Guide to Letter Making by Dale Carnegie. Not by Dale Carnegie. What was the guy's name? I forgot. Shoot. One of the greatest marketers of our time. Dan Kennedy. Dan Kennedy. That's who it was by. But it just allows me to be able to expand my horizons and to be able to learn new strategies that are seeped in the old ways. For example, there are a lot of people nowadays who are trying all these different new methods, but the ones that have been working for 20, 30, 50, 60 years are the best proven methods. And the only way that you're really going to be able to find them at their core is by buying books. So that's why I love buying books, and I believe that people should buy more books. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Go join my group if you want to learn how to grow your business faster and reach your goals in a shorter time period. If that's what you're looking for, go join the group. It's called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's a link in the description either above or below the video. Have a great one.